going, guys? You know, it's 2018 now. I hope everybody is enjoying their new year. It's a new year, it's time for a new look. So what do I mean by that? I mean I'm finally getting around to changing out the trunk lid and the tail lights. Yesterday I managed to pick up the last piece of the trunk lid swap, which would be the outer driver's side tail light. This is the 92 to 93 tail light. So I have the others. They are over here. These specific tail lights, these three, were on my original 92 Honda Accord. The only reason why I still have these tail lights would be because on my old Accord I did the red and white tail lights, which would be considered the 50-50 tail lights. So I kept these lying around just in case if I had another CB7 in the future and I could do another trunk lid swap. It does have some grease on it. I can't take it off with brake cleaner because it just makes it worse. So I'm gonna get some toothpaste because people tell me that toothpaste will take it all right off. Supposedly they use that for the headlight restoration, so I'm gonna use the toothpaste. I'm gonna let it sit and then I'm gonna wipe it off. I already got the trunk lid from the backyard and I put it in the front so I can clean it all up and get it ready for its swap. I picked this trunk lid up for maybe about $10 last year, I believe, because right when I got the red Accord, I wanted to, of course, do a trunk swap on it, and barely now, 2018, I'm barely getting to it. So this is it. Has the original Accord emblem right there. There's no dents, it's perfectly straight. Like I said, no dents, no cracks. It just has a little bit of paint fade. I'm already starting to clean it up. And so I'm gonna clean that up, continue to clean it up. I'm gonna take out the old tail lights on the Accord. I gotta take this wiring out. It's for the lights on the top. Remove the two bolts on each side of the hangers that hold in the trunk lid, and I should be able to pull it right off. And then I'll go ahead and show you the install of the new trunk lid and tail lights. So I'm gonna get started on that and then we'll meet back up here right now. Finally, the trunk lid is off the car. Estimated time to remove everything was about 5 to 10 minutes. Just gotta unbolt a couple of screws, take out all the electrical components, and then you're good to go. On the body where the tail lights are mounted, there is 4 bolts on each side. I'll take you on this side too. And then basically you just unhook all of the wiring and remove the bulbs from the tail light, and then pull them out as you saw earlier. And then for the trunk lid, and then you remove these 2 bolts and those bolts on that side, and as you can see, the trunk lid is now removed. So all I gotta do is transfer the license plate lights on the upper top of the trunk lid out. I gotta take all of the bulbs and the wiring from the trunk lid and the other tail lights that are on the body and put it into the other trunk lid, and I gotta put it into the actual body of the car. But before I do any of that, I'm gonna clean everything up so that way it'll look nice, and then I'm gonna show you the install of me doing the entire trunk lids. got the trunk lid already bolted and mounted onto the car. So all I got to do now is, of course, hook in the trunk latch at the top and plug in all the wiring harness for the lights into the trunk lid, and we should be good. So I'm gonna finish this up. So after 2 hours of removing the old trunk lid and the old tail lights and doing the opposite of that, which would be put in the new tail lights and the new trunk lid, it is finally complete. Everything is in, it looks crisp, all the lights work, the turn signals, the brake lights, and the reverse lights, and the trunk lights for the license plate all work. It looks really good. I'm happy with the turnout. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and remember to hit the subscribe button on your way out. Hope you have yourself a good day, and I'll see you next time in the next video. Bye guys.